everybody, thank you so much for pressing play on my video. My name is Charlene Luciano from stampwithshar.com, and I'm an independent Stampin' Up! Demonstrator in the US. And in today's video tutorial, we will be making this cute little box. Now, you can house Post-it notes in this box. You can also add candy in the box. It's quite a good sized box. So this is what we are going to make today. So I just got my new order in. I just wanted to show everybody the new ink pads. Ooh, fancy. Do you see how that opened? Our old ink pads opened like that, so you pushed it forward and then you flipped it back and then pushed it. So the new ones are a little bit different, kind of like a compact disc. Cool. All right, how cool is that? I'm so excited to use all my new stuff. So I will have a detailed description over on my website at www.stampwithshar.com. So if you missed any of the measurements, everything will be there. The designer series paper is one that I just received, and it's Share What You Love specialty designer series paper. This paper, you guys, stunning. It's got all this like iridescent. Can you see that? It is super pretty. All these different like iridescent-y. It's gorgeous. Beautiful, beautiful paper. I don't think you can see how nice this paper is on the camera. Wow. It just beautiful, and it's double-sided, and it's just stunning. Love it. So this is the designer series paper we're using. It is new, and this is from the Share What You Love suite. So as demonstrators, we are allowed to order early. So my product just came in. So to make the box, I'm using my Simply Scored scoring board, and this piece measures 6 1/8 by 6 1/8, and we are going to score this at 1.5 inches all the way around. I have my piece of designer series paper, and this measures 8 1/4 by 3 1/2. And then I have this piece, and this piece is cut at 8 1/2 by 3 1/4, and you are going to score this with the 8 1/2 at the top, and you're going to score this at 3 1/2. You're going to rotate it 180, and you're going to score it again at 3 1/2. Now you can score your designer series paper as well, but I'm not going to score it. I'm actually just going to leave it the way it is. I have my paper snips. Right now I'm going to make this little box so we can set it off to the side so it can dry. So I'm going to cut up on all these tabs. I'm now going to miter the corners. And I'm going to fold and burnish my score lines. Nice, good, crisp now going to add adhesive on all 4 of these tabs, forming my box. I'm using my multi-purpose liquid glue. And we're just going to set this off to the side, give it a couple minutes to dry. So on my cover, I'm going to decide which ribbon I want to use. This is that black shimmer ribbon. Oh, it's so pretty. I couldn't wait for it to come in. And this is a new ribbon, and it's got like a velvety, it's like velvet. Feels very fancy. Very pretty. I don't know, maybe I'll go with the black. And you want about 22 inches. So you want about 22 inches of the ribbon. And I am going to take some multi-purpose glue, add the ribbon, like so, and I am now going to add my designer series paper. Now I was going to add a tag, but this paper is so pretty that it doesn't even really need one. And I'm just going to lay that on top. And then where we have those score lines, we are going to reinforce it, and with our bone folder give it a nice crease. And that's going to give you the cover to your box. Super cool. Then you're going to take your little box, you're going to add some of adhesive on the bottom, and you are going to attach your box. Just making sure you are centered and in the right place. And that, my friends, is your cute little box. And again, you can put some post-it note holders inside. Super cute little project, you guys. I hope you're going to give this one a try. Thank you so much for watching my video today. If you enjoyed this video, please give me a thumbs up. Consider subscribing to my channel. That way you don't miss my next video. Thank you to all my new subscribers. Much appreciated. Don't forget to click the notification bell. That way every time I do post a video, you will get a notification. If you're interested in any of the products that I did use in today's video, I will have them linked down in the description below. I will also have a written and detailed description with measurements over on my website, www.stampwithshar.com. And I hope you'll head on over there and go and have a look. I do post projects every weekday to inspire you. And I hope everybody has a wonderful day. Thank you for stopping by. Take care.